All right, hello Cascade Christian Elementary students, and welcome to day 4 of Virtual Field Day 2020. For today's challenge, we're going to do a bowl game challenge, and I'm going to have my assistant Paige help us today. Here's the materials that you'll need for the challenge. As you can see on the ground, I have 4 mixing bowls of varying sizes. If you don't have mixing bowls at home, you can use cooking pots or even Tupperware. Paige is holding some bean bags right now, which you probably don't have at home, but you can use 4 pairs of folded up socks. We also have Remo in our video today. He snuck in there to be part of this. So here's how the challenge works. Paige is going to throw 1 bean bag at a time, and she's going to try to throw her bean bag into the mixing bowls. Now, if she makes the bean bag in the first mixing bowl, which is the closest, she'll get 1 point. She makes it in the second one, 2 points, third one, 3 points. And if she makes it in the furthest one, that's worth 4 points. And as you can see, it's a lot smaller, so it's more challenging. Okay, Paige, why don't you go ahead and throw a bean bag here. All right, so she made it in the first one for a point. Go ahead and go. You can just choose whichever one. Good. And bean bag 3. Oh, she's on a roll. And bean bag number 4. Oh my goodness, she made all 4 right in a row, which is very rare. Might have to take her to Starbucks. So she got 1, 2, 3, 4. So for points, so 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 4. So she got 10 points in the first round. Okay, Paige, why don't you retrieve your bean bags and we'll do one more round. Now to make this a little more challenging, we're going to back up Paige now a couple steps. Paige, why don't you move that orange cone back just a little bit? That'll work. Now she's got to throw from a little further back. Okay, go ahead, Paige. All right, bean bag number 2. Good try. Go ahead, number 3. And bean bag number 4. All right, so she made 1 in the first one and 1 in the second for 3. So for 2 rounds, she's got 10 plus 3 for 13 points. So parents, I recommend you do 3 to 5 rounds, but each round move back a little bit. So that's our first challenge for today, and we'll bring you our next challenge here in a little bit. Have fun. All right, welcome back, Cascade Christian Elementary. This is activity number 2 for our virtual field day. All right, so for this activity, it's called the Skittles Challenge, and here's what you will need. I recommend Skittles, but you can use M&M or any kind of small hard candy. We have a couple plates, and you will need a straw. Here's how the challenge works. Paige is going to attempt to basically suck up 1 Skittle. Go ahead, Paige. And move that 1 Skittle to the other plate. Good. So that's worth 1 point. Now she's going to go again. Good. Let's try one more. All right, now she dropped it before it made it to the other plate, so that one would not count. She would just continue on going from the plate with all the Skittles. Now, if you don't have plates at home, you could use bowls. You could even just put a couple markers on your kitchen table as well. This is a timed event. You want to go for 1 minute to see how many Skittles you can transfer from point A to point B in 1 minute. If you want, you can do this, compete against your sibling as well. Parents, you can go ahead and get involved. Please send us your pictures. If you are doing this, please take pictures, send them to Mr. Broberg via email, and we'll get them on the Cascade Christian Facebook page. Thanks, guys.